Good day, friends. It is me, HLModtech, and I am back with the Ruko F11 Gimbal. Friends, I've finally got a day in Michigan with sunshine and a light breeze, so let's get cracking. All right, friends, so the first thing is to remember to take off your gimbal protector and make sure you remember to put it on. So this pops off this lip, and then you can pull it out gently. And then when you're done, just remember you slide it back up in and get that connected first before you clip the back. So I'm going to set this down here. Make sure when you fold it out, you start with the legs. Find the other leg. And then it pops up. Otherwise, you won't be able to open it up. I'll set this down here. I'm going to store the cap up in the top. So I love how well everything fits in this case. I also like that it's got some hard sides. So when you've got your controller, we need to open it up, and in a second we'll power it on. I'm going to attach my phone, and then also don't forget to open your antenna. Friends, I am going to be using the iPhone 11, and one of the things I like about this controller is it actually fits with the protective case on it. So let's power up the drone. Move it out here a couple feet so if it comes back to home, I don't have to worry about it running into anything. I already powered on this device, and let's find the Ruko drone app. I've got it in upside down. Let me switch that quick. All right, so with that flipped around, let's go into the controls. There's my settings, Wi-Fi. All right, so now I'm going to go back. Let's get in the Ruko drone app. Let's go back to controls. And now you can see we can actually get into the device. Shows that I've got 58.4 gig left on my SD card. If your SD card is not formatted, it will give you a warning so you can format it. All right, so we've got the drone in calibration mode. I'm going to set this down. There's that. There's that. And we're ready to roll. All right, so takeoff is simply down and in. I'm going to pop it up, and then we'll adjust the camera. I am going to hit record before we do it. All right, so as you can see, she is holding in place. Let's move her forward a little bit. Bring her back at us. Gain some altitude. Spin around. Let's head towards those baseball fields. Only 30 degrees and my fingers are a little cold. But let's go take this back and turn this into a video that shows you what we did with getting her up in the air and bringing her back down. Easy peasy. Alrighty, friends, so there you have it, the Ruko F11 Gimbal drone. Friends, I had a ton of fun flying that. I just wish my fingers hadn't got cold. Right now I'm at Amazon.com, and you can see you can get the F11 Gimbal for $399. At the moment, there is a $60 coupon, which is sweet. Once again, we can't confirm from the video that I just edited. It is 4K. That EIS keeps it stable, and it looked sharp. Flight time of 56 minutes. I could not last that long because of cold fingers, but I do believe it goes that far. It also has an increased range over the old F11, which is awesome. Uses 5G FPV transmission so that you can get that high distance. I can confirm that it was very easy to fly. It was super simple to calibrate, and then once I had it up in the air, it went everywhere I wanted, just like you'd expect it to. So this was just flight 1, so I got it up in the air so we could actually see what the video looked like. Stay tuned, I will be posting more videos where we actually test these cool, intelligent features. Of course, friends, I will put a link in the description so it's easier for you to find, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModtech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.